kilala niyo po ba kung sino yung gumawa nun, gano'n. Tapos sabi ng gano'n, sabi niya, oo. Tapos tinanong niya, sabi niya, sino po yung gumawa? Sabi niya gano'n. Ikaw!
Na-video ko din! Sabi ko, nanonood ko yung Pampanga, sabi ko, okay na to, Pampanga, tsaka driver.
Doon ka na naman.
For the second time around today.
Nagpasok ni Joy Joy, ano? Putay ko kasi medyo umano pa yun, para pag... Hi guys, we are at Dunkin'. Wow, ibang-iba yung vlog sa TikTok, ibang-iba yung vlog sa YouTube. Your order is combo 2. 1 coffee plus 1 premium donut. How about you? Ay, ganda ng ano nila. Interior.
Ain't no surprise that I'm into you since high school. But you fucked it up, ghosted me a couple times. Make up your mind, I can take no more. Is it yes or no? Just say that one word.
Hi guys! Welcome to another day with us. Aga-aga, binabasya ko ni Jeka.
Is this diva that you're watching is a...
Sagutan ko yung ano sa tax kasi...
Weh.
Oo nga ni, sasagutan ko nga ni. Sasagot talaga.
Porket may video. Grabe. Ganun pala. Hawak ko ang beat, hawak ko ang gala. Nagsama po.
Pakibitawan daw.
Nakakatakot naman para mo memorya.
Fill up ako sa secretary.
Break time. So kakain ko. Guys, inuwi ko to kasi wala akong sa tinidor nung time na yun. Pero ibabalik ko na siya ngayon. Pero gagamitin ko muna.
Sa toge, ang masasarap carrots, toge, kamote, singkamas, kalabasa, kamote. Kamote cube. Oo. Kasi
Pinag-comment sa respeto na.
isa lang siya dun sa harap.
Oh.
Kasi di ba nakakadala talaga umupo sa harap. Narinig ka sa video. Nakakadala talaga umupo sa harap. Tapos,
Yapper, ano,
yung babae, feel ko na sana tumabilang sa kanya.
Ano naman?
Ewan ko, feel ko lang.
You want? Food vlogger
Dapat
na ako, guys.
napon mo na.
Are you gonna study?
Hi vlog.
Hi, vlog.
I refuse to be involved in your video. I will not.
I declined this.
Hi, shoutout sa video mo, naiwan ko yung eyeliner ka!
Lunch time.
Oo, dami. Level up na siya dati.
Guys, sino may tingnan?
Binigyan kami ng igado ni Ken na binigay din sa kanya ni Jerome. So, what do you call that transaction?
Ano lang, green tea. May vanishing deduction yun. No, hindi naman namin pinamahal. Kasi dinonate nila. Ay, donation. Donation, mortis cost. Sa ano lang yun?
Pero, less than, ano siya? 250k.
So, wala.
Exempt din siya.
Non-participating muna. Okay. Dalawa na lang natin. Okay. Ay, tatlo. Okay, para makita yun siya. So, ang limit niya is that the first 200,000 shall go to...
Ang flavor niyan.
Break time and we're gonna eat Jollibee. Ang dami namin bilhin
I don't have
pagkain
any
kasi-
choice but to finish this one. I'm sorry. Super internet.
Kasi ano, hanggang 9 kami.
Kakainin niyo na po ba yan? Ang sarap ng ube!
Hintay namin si Ali kasi sabay-sabay kaming kakain.
Ayun kami
Wow. We were not invited to buy Jollibee stuff.
kasi noon, wala ka pa kasi
I was just, I'm sorry po for making paninira to Jollibee.
Ghosted me a couple times. Make up your mind, I can take no more. Is it yes or no? Just say that one word. I'll leave you alone afterwards. I took the white flight.
Grabe siya. Grabe yung galit niya talaga sa tao.
Break time. Pang ilang break time na natin to? Pang 5? Pang 4 na break time? Pangatlo.
At mukhang mapapalimahan pa kasi dalawa pa yung PowerPoint.
Parang first time ever sa tech subject namin na magsasagad kami ng, ng 6 hours. Pero kasi kailangan siya. Kasi haba nung RCC. Pagod na.
Guys, ako na. Guys, ano?
Wala ka copyright yung video ko.
Mula 6:30 hanggang ngayon, nandito pa rin kami sa school. And time check, 6:45 na.
Makaka-copyright tayo.
Light it in your locker, I hope you like it. Bubblegum popped in your face, you look okay.
Walang
Do I still take the next step? Or should I just stand back, darling? I'll throw the white flag,
Okay?
a flag.
Kasi yung
I
corporation
give
for
up
purposes
on
of
you,
committing a crime,
then
aiding a crime,
it
o
was
kaya in case
right.
after
No
the
way,
solution, may
no
mangyayari ang
way
assist that
for
for
doubting
the favor of
Cupid.
me.
Most days, as I
Illegal
back
yung
home, turns down
So, diba?
It is crystal clear, no one can deny. I'm already dying, already dying, already dying, already dying. No way, I losing for doubting.
Nakakainis nung nag-thank you si attorney, hindi ko na play, na-stop ko yung video.
It's a girl. Meron akong picture, pero picture lang. Ako din eh, picture lang.
Uwi na kami. Grabe, from 7 a.m. until 9 p.m. nasa school kami. Kapagod, girls. Para sa pangalan.
Yun natin.
Most days, your back's home, turns down Cupid. No more, it's crystal clear, no one can deny. You're my ride or die, my ride or die, my ride or die.
Of course, nag-send me this morning. Batman! Ay, sus. Ano ba yan? Ang pabebe naman. Ayusin ko na yung kama ko. Tatayo na ako.
Hi guys, kakauwi ko lang from my pre-midterm departmental exam. First 2 subjects, AFAR and MS. Napakahirap. Anyway, I got this. Actually, Christmas gift talaga to ng mga nakasama ko nun sa OJT. Ngayon ko lang siya natanggap kasi ngayon lang natin naabot sa akin ng friend of a friend of a friend. The world is so small and I live for those moments na we are all somehow connected. I'm gonna give a hug. Anyway, hindi ko alam kung gave what. Just thankful for them and for the gifts they gave. Yung unan siya. Makakatulog na ako sa desk ko. O ganyan. Yay! Mukha niya si Bimo. Next, ito. Maalala ko, pinapili kami ng kulay nito. Pinapili kami ni Nicole. Alam ko kay Nicole galing. Pinapili niya kami ng kulay. Tapos ito yung kulay na pinili ko. Pero I didn't know it was this one. Kala ko maliit lang. Pero ito siya. May initials ko. AJ. And it's a pouch. In like the teal or green color. Ganda! Thank you po! Next, we have wallet. Hindi ko alam kanino to. Pero thank you po. Whoever gave this. Next, hot compress. Kailangan ko to. Nasira yung hot compress namin. So, this one. This is so cute. It's a candle. Ang hirap na buksan daw. Ayan. Ang bango. Amoy matamis. Vanilla. Yay! Candle. Wait lang. Ang dilim. Much better. Next. This one. Lip care mask. I'm excited to try this. Ano siya? Overnight lip mask. Next is this. It's a Band-Aid na maliit. So cute. It comes in these colors sa taas. Oh, I need this one. Katingko, because who else at this age does not need katingko? And this one. Halo candy! Thank you so much. Never thought I'd receive this in my life. And it's also very attentive. Kung sino ba nagbigay nito? I don't know kasi walang names din. Very attentive of them to give me like this. Wala ko nung una, it's like a whistle. But it's not. It's from Metro Sunnies. And ito siya. See, it's a little screw for when your eyeglass is like maluwag na. And double edge pala siya. Ngayon ko lang nalaman. Kanina kala ko isang edge lang. Yung isa parang flat, and then yung isa yung like 4 corners. I don't know if you can see it. Which is so nice. I appreciate it so much. That's Ginger, my cat. My mom's cat. I'm not in good terms with that cat. Tapos naka-keychain type siya, so you can hang it. And lastly, this. Ang cute! Walang names, guys. Di ko alam kanina ito galing. Anyway, thank you so much. Kita ko na to kanina, and I'm so excited. I never would have guessed. Look! Ang ganda! Look at that! Matches my, not really, but ang ganda. It's like, ano ba to? Tulips ba to? And it comes with a spoon. Kasi yung spoon may bow. Good luck finding me in cafes because I'd be drinking out of this cup. I'm so thankful. Na-miss ko tuloy sila. Kanina, di ko alam. Ang sure ko lang kung kanino galing is ito. Kasi tinanong ako ni Nicole. Pinapili niya ako ng kulay. Ayun. Thank you guys for everything.
Ano yung letter A?
Say hi to my vlog. Meron? Anong meron? Meron na. Tipid MRT.
Mahal ang gas.
Mahal ang pamasa. Sabay, baka man ako phone ko.
The first tire from the front.
Let me hear it for the back as a drift. $8 lang? Oo. Baka nga akala senior ka na.
Papasok. Increase lang ng 5 piso.
We are done with church. And meet namin yung mami ko, tsaka tita ko because we're gonna eat together.
Mami mo lang?
And with our ate. Yay! This is for the first time in a while. May kailangan akong reviewin, but it's okay.
Low-key reunion.
Nag-review naman yung Virgin Angel ko. Sure ka? Yes.
Taking calls or playing loud music from your devices while inside a train. Kailang pagkalat. Ubus ng malakas.
Nag-vlog ako eh. Pauwi na kami.
Sabi ko, huwag niyang ipapost, pero na naman niya.
Ipa-vlog ko nga ni.
Yung wish ko.
When I fall in love, all the sparks should fly. Lighting up the sky like the fireworks on the 4th of July.